Mindfulness practices can be highly effective in overcoming tensions by helping individuals to ground themselves in the present moment and develop greater awareness of their thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. Here are some mindfulness techniques that can help alleviate tensions. 1. Deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises can help calm the nervous system and reduce tension. Practice taking slow, deep breaths, focusing on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. 2. Body scan meditation. Body scan meditation involves systematically bringing awareness to different parts of the body, noticing any tension or discomfort, and then consciously releasing it. This practice promotes relaxation and a greater sense of bodily awareness. 3. Mindful walking. Take a walk outdoors and pay attention to each step you take. Notice the sensations in your feet as they make contact with the ground, the movement of your legs, and the surrounding environment. Engaging in mindful walking can help shift your focus away from tensions and into the present moment. 4. Progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and then releasing each muscle group in the body, one by one. Start with your toes and work your way up to your head, paying attention to the sensations of tension and relaxation in each muscle group. 5. Mindful observation. Take a few moments to observe your surroundings without judgment. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of objects around you. Engaging your senses in this way can help shift your focus away from tension-inducing thoughts. 6. Mindful eating. Practice eating mindfully by paying attention to the taste, texture, and sensation of each bite of food. Slow down and savor the experience without distractions. This can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. 7. Guided imagery. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene setting. Visualize yourself surrounded by nature or in a place where you feel safe and relaxed. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience and let go of tension. 8. Gratitude practice. Take a few moments each day to reflect on things you are grateful for. This can help shift your focus away from tensions and cultivate a sense of positivity and well-being. 9. Mindful communication. Practice being fully present and attentive during conversations with others. Listen actively without judgment or the urge to formulate a response. This can help reduce tension in interpersonal interactions. 10. Journaling. Spend some time journaling about your thoughts and emotions. This can help you gain clarity and perspective on the sources of tension in your life, allowing you to address them more effectively. Remember that mindfulness is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate these practices into your daily routine to experience their full benefits in overcoming tensions. Now, let's delve deeper into each mindfulness practice with examples. 1. Deep breathing. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down on your back. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you breathe, focus your attention on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Counting your breaths can help maintain focus. For example, inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 4. Repeat this process for several minutes or until you feel more relaxed. 2. Body scan meditation. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations of tension or relaxation in this area. Slowly move your attention up through each part of your body, from your feet to your head, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you become aware of tension, consciously release it by softening the muscles and allowing them to relax. Continue scanning your body, bringing awareness to each part and releasing tension as you go. 3. Mindful walking. Choose a quiet outdoor location for your walk. As you begin walking, focus on the sensation of your feet making contact with the ground. Notice the movement of your legs and the rhythm of your steps. Pay attention to your surroundings, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of nature. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the physical sensations of walking. 4. Progressive muscle relaxation. Find a comfortable seated or lying position. Start by tensing the muscles in your toes and feet as tightly as you can for a few seconds. Release the tension and allow the muscles to relax completely, noticing the difference between tension and relaxation. Continue this process, moving up through each muscle group in your body, including your legs, abdomen, chest, arms, shoulders, and face. Take your time with each muscle group, allowing yourself to fully relax before moving on to the next. 5. Mindful observation. Find an object in your environment to focus on, such as a plant, a piece of artwork, or a natural landscape. Take a few moments to observe the object closely, paying attention to its colors, shapes, and textures. Notice any details that you may not have noticed before, such as patterns or variations in color. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience of observing without judgment or the need to analyze. 6. Mindful eating. Choose a small piece of food, such as a raisin, a slice of fruit, or a piece of chocolate. Before eating, take a moment to observe the food with all your senses. Notice its color, texture, smell, and any sounds it makes. Take a small bite and pay attention to the taste and sensation of chewing. Slow down your eating pace, savoring each bite and allowing yourself to fully experience the flavors and textures. Be present with each mouthful, noticing how your body responds to the food. 7. Guided imagery. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Imagine yourself in a peaceful and serene setting, such as a beach, a forest, or a mountaintop. Engage all your senses in the visualization, imagining the sights, sounds, smells, and sensations of being in that place. Allow yourself to stay in this imaginary place for as long as you like, soaking in the feelings of calm and relaxation. 8. Gratitude practice. Set aside a few minutes each day to reflect on things you are grateful for. Write down 3 to 5 things you are grateful for, whether big or small. These could be relationships, experiences, or simple pleasures. Take a moment to really savor each item on your list, reflecting on why it brings you joy or appreciation. You can also express your gratitude directly to others by sending a text, making a phone call, or writing a thank you note. 9. Mindful communication. When engaging in conversation with someone, practice active listening by giving them your full attention. Maintain eye contact and focus on what the other person is saying without interrupting or formulating a response in your mind. Notice any thoughts or judgments that arise and gently let them go, returning your attention to the speaker. Respond mindfully, taking the time to consider your words before speaking and being empathetic to the other person's perspective. 10. Journaling. Set aside time each day to write in a journal. Start by reflecting on your thoughts, emotions, and experiences from the day. Write freely without worrying about grammar or punctuation, allowing your thoughts to flow onto the page. Notice any patterns or recurring themes in your writing, especially related to sources of tension or stress. Use your journal as a tool for self-reflection and problem-solving, exploring ways to address and overcome tensions in your life. Remember that mindfulness is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate these practices into your daily routine to experience their full benefits in overcoming tensions.